Hi everyone. Today we're going to use the Swan SDK to deploy an AI large language model with an API. So to use the Swan SDK, a Swan API key is required. So we can visit the orchestrator dashboard, connect our wallet. Once you connected your wallet, you can click Show API Key to view your existing API key or also create a new one. After you got an API key, we can go ahead and install the Swan SDK. To get started, we can import the SDK and create the orchestrator. And now here is where we create the task. Let's change the repo URL. And here you would add your wallet address, your private key, and your Swan API key. For the purposes of this video, I will import it. And now let's change the instance type. To view the instance types, you can go ahead and look at their sample code. And they have an example, get instance resources. And I see there's a function called get instant resources. So let's go ahead and use that before we create this task. So let's get instance resources, import JSON, and let's see what this prints out. So now we see all the available resources. I think for this task, I want to use 3080. So here's the description, 3080. So the instance type is G1AE small. So I'll change that here. And I also want to set the duration to 2 hours instead of the default 1 hour. So now we can hide this. So now we are ready to create the task, and let's print the task UUID. So here you see the payment is submitted. You get the TX hash, and the task is created successfully. So here is our task UUID. And now if we go back to the docs, we can follow up on the task deployment and find the URL for the running apps by copying this code. So let's get rid of the create task and let's run this again. So here you see all the deployment info for the task, the build logs, all the computing providers, and here is the task information. And we also printed the working URLs for our application. So let's go visit one of them right now. So here's the LLM we just deployed. We're able to chat with the bot. And if you scroll down, there's some examples. and then we can also use its own API. So following these docs, we can install the client. Let's copy this. And let's print the result here. And it accepts 7 parameters that you can mess around with, but there's a lot of default values. So mainly you just enter the message. For example, if I wanted a fun fact about the Roman Empire, I would just replace the message here. And let's try it again. And now we successfully deployed AI LLM along with an API to interact with it. Thanks for watching.